Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tuner report for the crazy ass old man around Tennessee on this Ranger RCI 99N4. Well, we got it Truckerized for you, sir. That's our tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrade, wideband transmit and receive. You also get an static 636L mic to go with you if you choose to run it. And this thing is ready to rock and roll. Make sure you've got your 4-gauge wire bigger to feed this monster. And let's get on with the show. Start with RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug. Got you set right about 25 watts. That way if you decide to run an amp, you get full adjustability. 125 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Low, 225 bird average. 500 watt slug in PEP. Hello. Well, I forgot. Truckerized unit 99% of the time will peg that 500 watt scale. Just like a race engine. You build an engine, you never know what you're going to get there until you're done. 1000 watt slug. Hello. 600 simoleons. Alright. You crazy ass old man, as you call yourself. Gonna send this out to you. Hope you enjoy. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You've been Truckerized. Bum bum.